Hey everyone, welcome back to another vlog. So here we are getting the car loaded. We're all packed and ready to go. We are taking a small little family trip to Florida. It's approximately 9 hours from here and we're driving there. So wish me luck because we've got the whole fam in here. We are planning on stopping and taking small breaks. So I'll be vlogging the entire time. I hope you guys enjoy. Hey guys, so we stopped by in Louisiana, somewhere in Louisiana. We had to get some gas and kind of just stretch and take a break because we've been sitting for like a few hours already and I needed to stretch since I was driving. So we've been snacking and just like drinking the waters and Gatorades that we had in the car, but we're gonna go ahead and stop by and also get something to eat and then keep going. We still have like 3 hours left, so we're pretty excited. It's been going well so far. How do you turn this on? Okay. Oh. There it is. You stretched, Austin? Huh? You stretched? Yeah. Are you tired of sitting? Huh? Are you tired of sitting? Yeah. Yeah?
I can probably hear it.
From Florida, you guys. We made it out here last night and here we are in paradise. It's beautiful out here and the weather feels amazing. I'm getting ready to get some breakfast done and then we're gonna get ready to go on about our day. So I'll take you guys along with me and I hope you guys enjoy watching. All right, I've got some peeled avocados here that I'm gonna go ahead and make some wok for some breakfast toast. And then I do have some freshly cut fruit. So this is what we're having for breakfast. And then I'm gonna get lunch ready because it is gonna be a boat day today. So we need to pack a bunch of snacks and lunch for the road. So we ended having some last minute changes. We ended up having a beach day today because I didn't realize that the boat reservations were actually for tomorrow, Wednesday. So we made it a beach day, spent a few hours out there, and it was beautiful. The water was amazing and the weather was perfect. We went back to the room after a few hours and kind of just showered and got ready for dinner. We met up with friends because our friends were actually out there the same week we were, and they recommended this place that they have really good pizza and wings, and oh my god, they weren't kidding. This place was so good. So if you're ever in Destin, I highly recommend this place. Can I get a small with blue ras and strawberry?
Yes, ma'am, absolutely.
Yes. So right after dinner, we of course stopped by next door at this ice cream shop and enjoyed some ice cream, which was really good. Then I wanted to stop by Alvin's Island, which is like a souvenir surf shop. I wanted to buy like some souvenirs and t-shirts. I always like to do that when I travel and go to different places. This place was huge and they had a lot of inventory, so there was a lot to choose from. After this, we're just gonna head out to Walmart, which is like the local grocery store, to pick up some lunch meat and just kind of prepare lunch for tomorrow since we're gonna be having the boat day. I wanna make sure I have enough drinks and snacks for the kids. So after Walmart, we're gonna call it a night and just hang out in the condo and just play some board games and family time and just pretty much enjoy the evening by ourselves. All right guys, so we are at Walmart. We're gonna buy a few snacks and stuff to make like lunch meats, like sandwiches and hot dogs for tomorrow, because tomorrow we're gonna be going on the boat. And so we need some fruit, lunch meat, and maybe hot dogs. So that's all I can think of. So we're gonna do a quick little grocery trip and then we're gonna head back to the room and kind of get some rest because we had a really long beach day today and we are pretty tired and worn out. Picking up some of this as well because I get severe motion sickness on the airplane and the boat, so this is a must for me. So once we were done with the boat, we decided to grab some ice cream from this place that's like right underneath our condo, and it was really good ice cream. We just spent the rest of the evening at the beach since this was going to be our last night here. We spent 3 full nights here, and our friends actually headed back home today. So I'm gonna miss this place so much. We're gonna get ready to pack in the morning and then just, you know, hit the road and head back home. Oh, look at those sandwiches. So we did a quick little stop at Buc-ee's. This is right outside of Florida. So if you guys have a Buc-ee's on your road trips, you guys must stop. They have the cleanest restrooms and they have really good food and snacks. So we picked up quite a bit of everything and now we're heading back on the road. So on the way back home, we decided to stop by Louisiana, and we always wanted to know what it was like to be at the French Quarters in New Orleans. So we did a quick stop, we parked and we walked for a few minutes. It was pretty nice and interesting to see the whole scenery. We've never been, so I really enjoyed walking around. There was a lot of like witchcraft and like voodoo shops, which was pretty interesting. But overall, the scenery and the vibes were amazing. So I'm glad we did the stop. At least I can say I've been there, and yeah, I enjoyed it. So after a few hours, we just kind of hit back on the road because we still had 4 or 6 hours from here, I believe, to get back home. So yeah, I just wanted to get home and kind of just relax because I was missing my home. Hey guys, so we got back home super late last night, and waking up today, I'm like, whoa, I have a lot of unpacking and organizing to do. So luckily I did laundry over there before we left because we did have a washer and a dryer. So I'm kind of glad I did that and got that out of the way. So now I kind of just have to unpack and just, you know, reorganize and put everything back away. So I had so much fun. The kids really enjoyed it and we loved it. This was our first time in Florida, and I'm gonna let you guys know that I am thinking of making this like a yearly family trip because that's how much I loved it. So I'll definitely be going back. So the beaches out there and the weather was amazing, and I think the time of the year that we went was perfect because I've heard these beaches get super crowded in the middle of summer, but the week that we were there, it was like perfect. It was amazing. So definitely be heading back there next summer for sure. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching, and if you did, don't forget to give me a like and consider subscribing to my channel if you guys haven't done so for more new upcoming videos. I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye guys.